So if you're looking for a quick hors d'oeuvre, yogurt cheese is what works in our house, and it's unbelievably simple. So you just take our regular yogurt. And by the way, this is also a great thing to do if you need or want Greek yogurt and you can't find it. You can make Greek yogurt yourself. So what you do is you just take cheesecloth, put it in a colander, and you literally just pour out your yogurt. And what you're doing, the process of making yogurt cheese or Greek yogurt is as simple as draining the whey off. That's what we do in our yogurt works at a very large scale, but you can do it here at home. So you pour the yogurt in and you just let it hang there. Now, there's different degrees of this. If you just let it sit like this, you'll notice already it's dripping. The whey is falling out. If it sits for 2 to 3 hours, you will get a Greek yogurt. And if you can let it sit longer, 4 hours, 6 hours, even overnight, what I like to do is I will actually take the cheesecloth and tie a string around it and just hang it, tie it to my cabinet knobs, and you see the whey coming off. Overnight, it makes it incredibly thick. So if you want super thick spreadable cheese, the longer the better. After that, I'll show you what you do with it. So now I've let the yogurt sit for 4 hours. Like I say, to get it even thicker, you could leave it a lot longer. And so this is about what it looks like now. It's just a nice solid hunk. You can see it's still dripping, and it will go another 12 hours or so. And you can see all the whey that's already come off. This is just from 1 quart of yogurt. So then what I do is I put it into a bowl. This whey is really valuable. If you're going to do any baking, it's a fabulous ingredient. Any liquid ingredient, substitute in the whey. There's a lot of protein in there and there's a lot of nutrition. Again, you can rinse the cheesecloth off and certainly reuse that. And now what you've got is a fairly thick, creamy, textured product. Like I say, this is thicker than Greek yogurt. It's been about 4 hours, and you can control the thickness. You can make Greek yogurt in about 25 minutes. So then what I like to do, there's all kinds of incredible ingredients that go in here. One of our favorite in our house is smoked bluefish dip, and that's dill, garlic, and smoked bluefish. Just chop it up and put it in. But what I'm going to do just to make this simple is I'm just going to add some dill. Here's some chives that I've added. A little bit of chopped up parsley. And then we minced up some garlic here. Whip it together. I guess you call this folding in cooking parlance. It should look about like this. And as you see, it's pretty thick. I mean, that's cheese. So this is about it. And so you're just limited to your imagination. Think of all the things you'd like in a dip. Oh, by the way, chopped olives, also very nice. Sun-dried tomatoes. Enjoy.